Welcome to Correct Science. Today we are going to explore an amazing concept under polynomials, synthetic division. So synthetic division is a shortcut method for dividing a polynomial by a linear divisor of the form x minus a. So a could be a positive number, a negative number, or a fraction. But take note, a linear factor. So if let's say you are dividing by x squared plus 1, I'm sorry, but this method will not work. But it's actually an interesting method. Let's see. So we have this question, the answer is already here. We are dividing 3x cubed minus 4x squared minus 5x plus 2 by x minus 3. So what do we do? This is our divisor. We just equate it to 0 and we get x to be 3. So write that 3 here. We draw an L shape. Now, these coefficients here of x, we write it here. So we have 3, -4, -5, and 2. Now, what do? We just bring the first term down, like this, 3. And now, when we do that, what we have down here, we simply multiply it by what? The 3 that we have here. So we get 9. We write it here. Now, this -4, we add to 9. So we get +5. So whatever is here, we are adding. Here and here. We add. Then now this 5 times the 3. Then you come and write it here. Then -5 plus 15. You write it here, 10. Then 10 times 3, 30. You write it here, 32. Now, anytime you have a polynomial of degree, let's say m, divided by a polynomial of degree, let's say n, then the resulting polynomial will have a degree of the difference in their degrees. So in this case, we have a cubic polynomial with degree 3 and a linear one with degree 1. So the final one should have a degree of what? 2. And that has a maximum of 3 factors. So we bring a bar here so that we have 3 terms. And this will have a highest power of what? X squared. So we just write 3x squared plus 5x plus 10. Now this bar shows that, okay, this guy is not part of the main people. He is the remainder. So the 32 is the remainder. That's all. Synthetic division. So let's see. I have another question here. X cubed plus 5x squared minus 7x plus 13 divided by x minus 5. So try your hands on it and you should be getting something like this. Good. So I want you to try these questions and tell me your answers in the comment field. But before I leave, I would like us to consider something like this. If let's say I give you x cubed minus 8 divided by, let's say, x plus 2. Now, you equate this to 0 and you are getting -2, right? And here the leading power is 1. Now you'll be tempted to just write -8 here, but I'm sorry, that will lead to a wrong answer. So just like you do for long division, you write 0 for missing terms. So here the term in x squared is missing, the term in x is missing. So write 0, 0. Then before we bring out -8. So bring our 1 down. 1 times -2, -2. Then 0 minus 2 minus 2. Minus 2 times -2, we get 4. 0 plus 4, we get 4. 4 times -2, we get -8. When we add, we get -16. So it means we have x squared minus 2x plus 4 as the quotient, and the remainder is negative 16. So remember, for missing terms, we write 0. This is correct science.